Welcome back to ThinkCosmos, where we ponder the universe's deepest mysteries and wonders. Could humans actually live on Mars? That's what we will go over in this video. Ever since humans first looked up at the night sky, Mars has captured our imaginations. Often called the Red Planet, Mars is a cold, barren world covered in deserts, canyons, and towering volcanoes. But could humans actually make a home there? And if so, what would life be like for the brave pioneers who ventured to this distant world? Mars is in many ways the most Earth-like planet in our solar system. A day on Mars is just over 24 hours, very similar to Earth, and it even has polar ice caps made mostly of water ice. Yet, there's one massive challenge. Mars is a harsh, hostile environment with temperatures plummeting to -80 degrees Fahrenheit on average, and a thin atmosphere that offers little protection from radiation. But scientists and engineers worldwide have been designing solutions to these formidable challenges. To survive on Mars, we'll first need to address the critical issues of oxygen, food, water, shelter, and radiation. NASA's Perseverance rover recently made history by extracting breathable oxygen from Mars' carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere using an experimental device known as MOXIE. This device demonstrates that future astronauts could generate their own oxygen, essential for breathing and producing rocket fuel. Water, another critical resource, is hidden beneath the Martian surface. Scientists believe vast reservoirs of ice exist underground, providing not just drinking water, but also a way to grow crops and produce fuel. Shelter on Mars would have to be vastly different from homes on Earth. One promising solution involves building habitats underground or using thick, Martian soil to create radiation-shielding shelters. Recent experiments have explored using 3D printers to construct entire living quarters directly from the Martian surface materials, meaning homes could essentially be printed from Martian dirt. But the challenges don't stop there. Growing food on Mars presents a whole new set of hurdles. Mars soil is not naturally fertile like Earth's. It contains perchlorates, chemicals harmful to humans. Yet, scientists have experimented with growing plants in simulated Martian soil by treating it and adding nutrients. Crops like potatoes, beans, and lettuce have already shown promising results in these experiments. Radiation is perhaps the most daunting obstacle for any future Mars colony. Unlike Earth, Mars doesn't have a protective magnetic field or thick atmosphere to shield against harmful cosmic rays and solar radiation. Long-term exposure could pose severe health risks. To combat this, habitats will likely be built partially underground or made with radiation-absorbing materials, reducing exposure to safe level. But why go through all this trouble? Well, the answer is simple yet profound. Humans are explorers by nature. Establishing a presence on Mars could ensure humanity's survival in the event of a catastrophic event on Earth, such as a large asteroid impact. Mars would essentially serve as a backup planet for humanity. A journey to Mars itself is no easy feat. It would take approximately 7 to 9 months, during which astronauts must endure weightlessness, radiation, and psychological stress. NASA, SpaceX, and other agencies are developing next-generation spacecraft designed specifically for long-duration missions, equipped with artificial gravity systems, radiation shielding, and ample room to maintain astronauts' mental health. SpaceX founder Elon Musk has famously declared his ambition to send humans to Mars within this decade. His Starship spacecraft, currently in development, promises to transport not just a handful, but eventually hundreds of colonists to Mars at once. However, ethical questions remain. Should we terraform Mars, transforming its environment to make it more Earth-like? Terraforming would involve processes such as releasing greenhouse gases, or importing water to warm the planet and thicken its atmosphere, potentially making it hospitable for future generations. Yet, this poses profound ethical dilemmas about preserving planetary environments as they naturally exist. Furthermore, there's the risk of contaminating Mars with Earth microbes, possibly destroying the chance to discover indigenous Martian life. Scientists must be cautious and deliberate, balancing human ambition with respect for potential extraterrestrial life. So, will humans ever truly live on Mars? The answer seems to be yes, but not easily and not without sacrifice. Early settlers would have to endure incredibly challenging conditions, isolation, and risks we can barely imagine. Yet, history has taught us that humans excel at overcoming obstacles. Mars is the next frontier of human exploration and ingenuity. And who knows? Perhaps in your lifetime, you'll look up at the night sky, knowing there are fellow humans staring back at you from a distant red world. Pioneers building humanity's next great chapter among the stars. Thanks for joining us today on ThinkCosmos. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a cosmic adventure. Until next time, keep looking up.